everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of how I edit my pictures. If you want to make your pictures look more aesthetic or basically aesthetically pleasing, or you want your Instagram feed look like you just opened Pinterest, then please keep on watching. Alright, now let me talk about few things before actually starting the tutorial. So the thing is, no matter what device you are using to click your pictures, no matter you are using a DSLR, you are using an iPhone or a OnePlus का phone or basically any Android phone, no matter उसकी quality कैसी भी हो, if you know how to edit your pictures, it just changes the whole game. If you haven't watched my other editing tutorial video, you are missing out a lot of things, so please check them out one by one. मैंने बहुत सारी editing tutorials post की है अभी तक मेरे channel पे, and कुछ month पहले एक ऐसी ही editing tutorial post की थी, like how to make your pictures look more aesthetic or how to make your pictures look like Pinterest pictures. So if you are interested, I will link that in my description box, and also I will link the whole playlist of my editing tutorials. Now I am not really proud of my Instagram feed, but you guys seem to love my feed a lot, so I get this question a lot ki how I actually edit my pictures. If you are watching my channel from a long time, you already know the answer. So I basically use Lukrembo and Pixar. मैं पहले Snapseed and B612 भी यूज करती थी, but B612 में क्या होता था, पिक्चर क्वालिटी थोड़ा सा ऐसे हो जाता था, बट लाइटरूम एंड पिक्सार्ट में पिक्चर क्वालिटी और भी ज़्यादा अच्छे हो जाते हैं. स्पेशली लाइटरूम में, पिक्सार्ट में भी कभी कभार पिक्चर क्वालिटी ख़राब हो जाती है. इफ़ माई पिक्चर्स नीड समथिंग मोर, लाइक इफ़ आई नीड टू चेंज द पर्सपेक्टिव और मे बी आई नीड टू रिमूव समथिंग फ्रॉम माई बैकग्राउंड, एंड समटाइम्स आई ऑल्सो यूज पिक्सार्ट टू एड थिंग्स टू माई पिक्चर, मे बी ब्लर इफेक्ट, डस्ट इफेक्ट, ये सब करने के लिए मैं पिक्सार्ट यूज़ करती हूँ. सो या दैट्स द ओवरऑल थिंग. विद सेइंग ऑल दीज, नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद टुडेज वीडियो एंड लेट मी शो you how I edit my pictures. So today I'm gonna edit this picture right here. Pinterest pictures में जो editing होती है थोड़ा सा subtle होती है, थोड़ा सा less saturated होती है, but it is more like very soft, dreamy kind of pictures. First import the picture in Lightroom, of course. Now you can see the picture is very dark and also Pinteresty. So first thing I will do is I am going to the light tab and I'm gonna decrease the contrast because we want to make this picture look very subtle and soft and dreamy type of. Then we are going to decrease the highlight. So you can see highlight decrease करने से पीछे जो sky का color है वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा visible हो रहा है अभी ठीक ठाक से. We don't want to whitewash the picture, but we want that subtle look. Okay, that's the goal. Then we have shadows. Shadows मुझे नहीं चाहिए ज़्यादा. Decrease करने से ये होता है and increase करने से ये होता है, तो मुझे shadow नहीं चाहिए, तो मैं इसे increase करूँगी. I hope you are getting my point. I hope I'm making sense. Then I'm gonna increase the white. ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज ही कर रही हूँ. देन वी हैव ब्लैक. तो ब्लैक तो हमें चाहिए ही नहीं, सो आई एम गोना इंक्रीज इट फुल्ली. डिक्रीज करने से ये ब्लैक ब्लैक और हो जाएगा, तो हमें तो नहीं चाहिए. सो यू कैन सी ओनली लाइट टैप से इतनी चेंजेस आ गई है पिक्चर में. This is the before and this is the after. Now all we need to do is add some color to the pictures. Over saturated नहीं करनी है हमें. That's the thing, we have to keep it in mind. So to play with the color tones and all, we need to go to the color tab, of course. The first option is called temperature. So इसको increase करने से तो temperature बढ़ जाएगी picture में, मतलब it will become more yellowish. Yeah, we need that yellowish thing, but not that much. So I'm going to increase a little amount of it. Next option is tint. Tint को increase करने से the picture will become more pinkish and decrease करने से it will become more greenish. So I'm increasing the tint, very little amount of it. 3 पे रखती हूँ, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज वाइब्रेंस. सो वाइब्रेंस एंड सैचुरेशन से पिक्चर में जो कलर्स है वो थोड़ा सा वाइब्रेंट एंड थोड़ा सा सैचुरेटेड हो जाएगा. सो आई एम इंक्रीजिंग द वाइब्रेंस. लेट्स कीप इट 36. And saturation I'm gonna increase very little. Now this picture is looking very saturated and colorful. इतना भी colorful हमें नहीं चाहिए. We will fix that in a while. But first let's go to the grading option जो बिल्कुल ऊपर है. Now what you can do from here is you can change the shadow color and of course its saturation. You can change the midtones color and saturation and also the highlights color and saturation. So I always go to the highlight section and यहाँ से highlight की color मैं थोड़ा सा change करती हूँ, not too much, and I add this very pinkish purplish shade. I'm keeping the hue right here and the saturation at 34. Now I'm going to the mix tab, and from here you can change every color's hue, saturation and luminance. Luminance increase करने से that color will become lighter and decrease करने से that color will become deeper. First color is red and you can see there is a lot of red in here. तो मैं जो red का color है ना, थोड़ा सा hue इसको decrease करूँगी. Decrease नहीं बोलता है इसको basically. I am gonna convert this red into slightly pinkish toned red. So you can see decrease करने से ये pinkish toned red हो जाती है and increase करने से ये थोड़ा सा orangish yellowish toned red हो जाती है. So I'm gonna decrease it a bit. Saturation को मैं थोड़ा सा ही बढ़ाऊंगी and luminance को मैं थोड़ा सा decrease करूँगी. Next option is orange. Orange defines a skin tone. If you don't know, skin tone का color आप देख सकते हो कि ज़्यादा ही थोड़ा सा dark है and we have to make the picture look very subtle, no? So I'm decreasing the saturation because it's looking very saturated. Luminance को मैं थोड़ा सा ही बढ़ाऊंगी. So इससे क्या हो रहा है, पिक्चर की जो मेन सब्जेक्ट है which is me, मैं थोड़ा सा हाईलाइटेड हो रही हूँ but in a subtle way. I don't know how to explain this. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, next is yellow. Yellow को मैं थोड़ा सा increase कर रही हूँ. Also increasing the saturation and I'm gonna decrease the hue to the yellowish side. Next color is green. Decrease the saturation and also decreasing the luminance. Because again picture में बहुत ही ज़्यादा objects है and I want that focus to be on me, not my background. So obviously मैं green को थोड़ा सा कम saturated रखूँगी and कम highlighted रखूँगी. Now next colors में I think I am not going to make any changes because I'm happy with all the color tones and all. मुझे sky की color तो change नहीं करनी है. It is looking pretty good. So I'm gonna keep all these 4 colors as it is. And yeah, we are done with the color tab. Just gonna be taking a quick break right here to talk about few products which I have came across recently. I have been using those products and I am just loving the results. So I thought of sharing those products with you guys too. Summer means tanning and all. No matter you are inside or outside, the harmful UV rays can still damage your skin, making your skin look dull and tired all the time. But don't worry, beat your skincare problems with Aqualogica's newly launched T10 Plus range. This range helps in reducing sun damage, tan and pigmentation, revealing beautiful, bright and youthful skin. These products are packed with cherry tomato, glycolic acid and hyaluronic acid. Now let me show you how I include these products in my AM and PM skincare routine. So for my AM skincare routine, first I will be cleansing my face with the T10 Plus Smoothie Face Wash. It has very light gel-based texture which helps in reducing tan, literally burst of refreshment after wash. It gently cleanses the skin, giving you a soft, supple look. Also, it does not leave your skin dry post-usage. It is enriched with antioxidant-rich cherry tomato which reduces tan. Glycolic acid gently exfoliates, removing dead skin cells, while hyaluronic acid provides intense hydration to your skin. A face wash that removes tan and also hydrates your skin. It's only possible with the Aqualogica's T10 Plus Smoothie Face Wash. Now after cleansing and moisturizing your face properly, the final and the most important step is to apply a sunscreen. Aqualogica's T10 Plus Dewy Sunscreen has super lightweight texture which absorbs like magic, leaving no white cast or greasiness. It has SPF 50 PA++++ which protects your skin from harmful UV rays. It protects and hydrates your skin and gives a nice dewy finish which we all crave for nowadays. AM skincare routine to ho gaya. Now for my PM skincare routine, first I again like to use the D10 Plus Smoothie Face Wash to cleanse my face. And after cleansing my face, I like to use the D10 Plus Concentrate Face Serum. Just take 3 to 5 drops of the serum, massage it gently until it gets fully absorbed. It gently exfoliates the skin to remove tan and dead skin cells. Cherry tomato helps in reducing tan, heals the skin. Hyaluronic acid hydrates and locks in the moisture, and glycolic acid unclogs and tightens the pores. It is very lightweight and has fast absorbing formula, so you don't have to worry about the oiliness or any greasiness. The best part, there is no added fragrance, which is like perfect for your nighttime skincare routine, so you won't even feel like you have applied anything before going to bed and you can relax peacefully. Aqualogica's T10 Plus range has just the right products for you to keep your skin fresh, glowing and help you reduce suntan. So say goodbye to heat, suntan and dehydrated skin. Aqualogica is vegan, cruelty free and clean. Aqualogica not just only brings back the lost water to your skin but also to the community in need of clean drinking water. With each and every purchase you make through Aqualogica's website, you are actually helping someone in need get access to the clean drinking water. You can use my code SHINY2023 to get a 20% discount on Aqualogica's website aqualogica.in. Aqualogica's products are also available on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart. All the buying links are given in my description box down below. Now back to today's video. Let's move on to the next tab, which is called effects. Well, I know I have mentioned it again and again in this video, but I'm gonna mention it again. We have to make this picture look very soft and dreamy, right? What I'm going to do now is I'm gonna decrease the clarity a bit because we want that subtle, soft, dreamy sort of effect. And uske baad I am going to decrease the dehaze. So if I increase the dehaze, this is what happens. The picture becomes more contrasting and more saturated. And if I decrease the dehaze, this is what happens. It becomes more subtle and dreamy, just what we want, right? So I'm gonna keep it at 14. Yeah. And the last changes we are going to make is from the option called vignette. So vignette decrease करने से picture की side में थोड़ा सा blackish corners हो जाती है basically, and increase करने से वो whitish corners हो जाती है. I'm gonna increase the vignette. That's the before and this is the after. So yeah, that's basically how I have edited this picture as well as these pictures. Now what I do is whenever I am editing a picture and suppose वो filter मैंने जो create किया है उस picture के ऊपर, it's looking very nice, so I save it as my preset. Go to the 3 dot section जो बिल्कुल ऊपर corner में है, and then just go to the create preset option. You can name your preset as you want, then just save it, and yeah, your preset is made. And after that, if you want that same filter on your different pictures, you can just apply the preset on your other pictures, and yeah, you are good to go. You can also copy settings from here. मैंने ये कॉपी कर ली है and now I'm just gonna paste it on this picture. So that's how it's done. यही फिल्टर जो अभी मैंने बनाई है, अभी मैंने एडिटिंग की है, वही फिल्टर मैंने इन सारे पिक्चर्स में भी सेम एडिटिंग की है. थोड़ी बहुत चेंजेस तो रहती है, बट दैट्स द ओवरऑल एडिटिंग. सारे पिक्चर्स के कलर टोन्स या लाइटिंग तो सेम नहीं होती है, तो ऑफ कोर्स. एंड या दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट दिस वीडियो. आई होप यू गाइस हैव एंजॉयड वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. इफ सो, देन डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू गिव दिस वीडियो अ बिग थम्स अप. डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉच द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ हाउ आई एडिट माय पिक्चर्स. सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Comment down below if you have any question or any video request or video suggestion. Share this video if you find it helpful, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.